In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade Forex in Vantage. Now, the first thing you have to do here, once you are signed in to your dashboard, you want to go to the Accounts tab and you want to create either a live or demo account. After this, you have to select where you actually want to trade Forex. So for this, you could use TradingView, you could use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. I have a separate tutorial on how to connect to all those platforms on my channel, so make sure you go watch that in case you're interested, or the easiest way to just go started is by clicking on any of these accounts and clicking on this trade button, selecting the Vantage Web Trading, and it's going to take you to their web trading platform here, where you can just go ahead and here on the left under market, select Forex, select whatever you want to trade. So for example, this currency pair of Euro USD, click on that, and then here you'll be able to buy and sell on the right hand side. Right now the markets are closed, so I can't actually show you, but it's going to look just like this. So you'll be able to select your order type. You can select the volume in either lots or USD, take profits, stop losses, whatever you want, and then you can go ahead and buy or sell right away over here on the Vantage Web Trader. So that's how you can trade Forex. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.